Hello everyone and welcome to my vintage kitchen. Today I'm not cooking. Today I gonna do my kitchen tour and I gonna point for mistakes I made in my kitchen renovation. We bought this house with a very old, outdated kitchen. It was in neat condition. They never used it, I think, because we have another kitchen downstairs. But the kitchen was very outdated and we knew we're gonna renovate it as soon as possible. So mistake number one, we did the hardwood floors in the kitchen. There was no actually other option because of the island. We didn't know how to draw the line to put the tiles. But practical wise, you know it's a kitchen, something falls on the floor. It scratches very easily, so I'm not really happy with the wood floors in the kitchen. It's popular now, everybody doing it, but I guess those people, they don't cook too much. But for me, it's not really a smart decision, but it was the only one we could do in this kitchen. Talking about the island, the biggest mistake I did in this kitchen, I didn't put outlets in the island. So now when I cook, when I need to do something, I have to turn around and use this outlet or use the other outlets on the walls. My kitchen is small, it's not that much of the problem, but if you put the island, make sure you have an outlet in the island. So if you need to do your mixer, if you need to do your blender, you can do easy access, especially if you're filming videos like I am. It's a big mistake we didn't do it. One more thing about the islands, if you're making the island in the kitchen, even if your kitchen is small, right, like mine, yeah, I know, like people from Europe saying this is a small kitchen. Yeah, this is a very small kitchen for America, for North America, for Canada. If you do decide to go with the island, never do the island of the size of the standard kitchen cabinet. It looks so unproportional. It looks so out of place. We had no big space, but we still did it a little bit bigger than the original size of the kitchen cabinets. And we did a little narrow shelves here. So I put our alcohol here and my bread, but the island looks much, much better. Mistake number three I made in my kitchen. I agreed for these little garbage bins inside the pull-out drawers. Yeah, it looks good, it might be a good idea, but those garbage bins, they're very small. And you literally, like after you put something a little, you have to go and empty it. I didn't like it at all. So we're only using it for the recycle. Number 5 of mistakes is the spice drawer. Again, it's moving out very nicely, but I didn't do from the beginning, I didn't do the spice drawer rack, which has been offered for me, and I said, okay, I'm not gonna waste money on it, and I regret it like after a month because my spice drawer was a mess. And I couldn't find anything, and so I had to buy those cute little things like from the Amazon. I can actually leave you a link, guys. This is a little jars, they come with the stickers, and I bought those plastic things in a dollar store. So I organized my spice drawer much better, but I wish I would do it from the beginning, and I wish I would put the spice drawers inserts right away. Don't save money on it, it's very practical. You will need it. This is how the other side of my kitchen looks, which you guys, again, you never see it on my videos. We had to, this wall was smaller, we had to extend it a little bit to fit what we need. Instead of finishing by the wall, we finish it with a cute little shelves where I can display my collectibles. And now I'm going to show you the cutest thing in my kitchen. This is actually my husband wanted it. I never actually use it. I maybe turn it on once or twice. Ta-da! We have this window light and we have this under cabinet light. And that was totally my husband's idea. I didn't care about it that much. I never turn it on when I'm cooking or when we're alone in the house. Maybe I should. I turned it on a couple of times when the guests came, I think from the beginning after we did the renovation, but besides this we're not using it, but it's really cool. If you guys love it, you can always do it and it always looks nice. As for the color, the island is blue as you can see, the cabinet is blue, inside wall in the niche is blue, and we wanted to paint the hood in blue. But the guy who did the kitchen, he said like, your kitchen is small, this blue hood might be a little bit too much. But you guys leave me a comment, what do you think about the colors? Was it the right thing to paint it in white, or I should do it in blue? What do you think? I think this is it, my friends. I told you my kitchen is not that big, there's not that much to show. But if you like my videos, please do subscribe, press this bell, press this thumbs up, and I see you next time.